Hi there everyone, my name is Pritam Negi and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, we will be talking with you about how we can improve our productivity in Windows 10. Now, in my last video, I talked about how you can clean your desktop by using a tool known as Fence. If you haven't checked that video before, or if you like this desktop appearance, then you can check out that video as well. Now let's come back to our main topic, is how we can improve our productivity with Windows 10. For that, we need to download an extension of Windows 10. The Microsoft PowerToys is an add-on productivity tool offered by Microsoft itself. What does this tool actually do? Let me just quickly show you the possibility with Microsoft PowerToys. If you press Windows button for a while, we can see the shortcut available with Windows button. For example, you want to open game bar, so you require to press Windows and Z. Similarly, if you want to open File Explorer, you can press Windows and E. And in the same way, you can perform other activity as well. Apart from this, the Microsoft PowerToys come with host of feature. For example, a very fast search bar which is similar to the Spotlight functionality in Macintosh. So after you install this Microsoft PowerToys, you just need to press Alt and Spacebar, and with the help of this search bar, we can actually search for program, files, folder, and even we can perform some basic calculation as well. For example, I just want to calculate how much is 2 plus 2. So I just need to write 2 plus 2 and it will automatically give us result. Not only that, you can search file as I told before. You can even run any program with further setting available. For example, you want to run that program as administrator, or maybe you would like to open the folder where the program is located. Again, let me just press Alt plus space, and from here I can search whatever I want to. So the speed of search is also pretty fast. Unlike in regular Microsoft search toolbar, which take a long time to find out any document. Apart from that, let me just open Microsoft PowerToys, and from here I can show you other feature available with PowerToys. So here we have color picker. Let's say for example you want to find out which color it is. So what actually we can do, we can press Windows plus Shift plus C, and in this way we can easily find out the hex code of the color. Let's say you do not want hex code, and from here you can choose other format as well. Not only that, you have a fancy zone. Now what does actually the fancy zone does? It actually enables us to snap our windows in different layout. So just you require to press Shift, and here we can see I have option to snap this window in 3 location. Now I can locate or snap this window wherever I want to. In this particular scenario, I have a 3 layout option, but you can even edit it as per your requirement. So here is the launch layout editor, and from here you can define how you would like to arrange them. Now you can even create your own layout, but I'm not going to do this because then it will going to take a long time. But if you have any problem, then do let me know in comment down below and I will try to help you with it. Now the next option is File Explorer, which gives us functionality to enable the preview of SVG and MD file. Also we have an image resizer. So what does this image resizer do? It helps us to resize our image in particular size. So we can also create our own size, and here you can give it a name. And then here you can select how you want to resize your image. In the same way, you can define the pixels, and from here you can define other parameters as well. For example, quality, compression, and so on. Now the next option is Keyboard Manager. What actually Remap a key does, it actually enables us to create a macro of a shortcut key. For example, let's say I want to press F1 for copying the text. So here I have pressed F1 and I just want to map it to copying the text, Control and C, which is the general shortcut of copying the text. Now let me just check it quickly whether this shortcut I have defined is working or not. So now I will be just opening a notepad for a quick try. This is a example text. Now instead of pressing Ctrl and C, I would like to press my newly defined shortcut, which is F1. And now I will try to paste it with the help of Ctrl and V. So I am pressing Ctrl and V. And here we can see I have successfully copied the text and validated it using Ctrl and V. In this way you can create a macro of a shortcut key. Now coming to the next part, which is remap a shortcut. The remap shortcut key actually help us to define the shortcut based on apps. So similar to the remap key, we can define a shortcut here and then the general shortcut key, and from here we can select a particular app where it is applicable. For example, I want my shortcut only be applicable in Microsoft Edge, so I can type here MS Edge, and in this way I can define shortcut for a particular application. Let's say if you do not write any name, then the shortcut will be a global shortcut, which means that that shortcut will be applicable for all application. Now coming to the next part, which is power rename. So what does power rename actually do? It actually enable us to rename multiple files together. For example, let's say I want to rename these two files, so I can select them together and can click here and can perform some changes. Let's say I want to replace car with one car, and if I click on rename, and here we can see we have successfully renamed two files together. Then the next option is PowerToys run, which we have already discussed about, which is pretty powerful search tool, and here you can play with some settings and can provide further customization. If you want to know more about this option, then you can click here on learn more, and from here you can learn more about more settings and shortcut about this particular tool. The last option is shortcut guide, which we have already discussed during the starting of this video. The shortcut guide appear when we press Windows for a duration which is defined here. So here the shortcut guide should appear after 1 second. So the time defined here is in millisecond. So let's make it 1. Now the shortcut guide will appear after we press Windows button for 1 second. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.